is the Rolltop Ranger by Sakk, but more on that later because I've got a plane to catch. Over the next few days, I'm going to be taking this backpack through 3 very different parts of my life. A trip back to New Zealand, where I'm from, a freelance shoot, and a waterfall hike. I'm going to show you how this backpack fits into my life. So how does a backpack like this fit into my daily life while travelling? Well, let's take a look at what I've got inside for this trip back to New Zealand. So in the front, it's like an easy access pocket. I've just kept sort of like travel essentials and AirPods and passports and stuff like that, just nice and easy at the front. Moving along, this pocket here sort of just accesses the top where I sort of just keep knick-knack stuff and jumpers and stuff like that on the plane that I might need. And then this is how you access the top here, like that, and it's got a nice little storage pouch. I've just got sort of the top handle at the moment and a couple other things. Alrighty, moving on to the main compartment. I've got the C80 anamorphic lens, drone controller, cables, drone in here, 70 to 200, a little small rig Magicam thing, SD cards, little mini light, some mics, the DJI mics, and then the C50 would have gone in here, and then like I said up here, just some neck stuff. We'll put a jersey or a jumper. Laptop over here with keys and spare batteries, so you can fit actually a lot of things in here and still kind of be within that 7 to 10 kgs, because this only weighs less than 2 kilos empty, which is something I appreciate while traveling, so it's a big tick. On the waterfall hike now, so I've taken the like compartment part out of it, so it's just pretty much a normal backpack now. So I've got a spare change of clothes, togs, towels, sweatshirt, rain jacket, drink bottle, but because it's a camera bag as well, you can obviously still put the tripod and the camera in. So we're at our final location for this 3-part shoot with the Sakk Rolltop Ranger bag. We're at an Airbnb down in New South Wales, and we're just shooting a little lifestyle cinematic reel for them. But I thought I'd show you what's inside the bag that I've brought along to this shoot, because it is completely different to what the previous 2 shoots have been. So let's take a look. Starting off in the main compartment here, I've got it configured with just the one camera, so I've got the C50 in here. I love that you can just reorganize the compartments however you want and configure it to what suits you. As always, cables, they come with me. In here we have Magicams. I thought it'd be cool to try and get some unique shots using the Magicams around the Airbnb. A light, a little mini light to fill if we need, ND filters, another little light, a little spotlight, some mics, the 16 to 35 in case it was super tight, which it is, and then on here we've got the 24 to 70, SD cards, charger, nothing up in this pouch yet. Spare batteries, and then I also bought the iPad this time, as I've got a bit of a shot list that I want to tick off using that. And then the tripod on the left, on the side here. But yeah, absolutely loving using this bag. Completely customizable, as you would have seen from the trip back to New Zealand and the hike in different configurations. But yeah, that's what I've packed away for this little freelance shoot, and then we'll just roll some of the clips that we got for the shoot.
I was seeking a peaceful getaway when I stumbled across a driftwood cabin, tucked away in the foothills near Lennox Head. It felt like the kind of place you come to slow down.
Well, there we go. That is 3 shoots done using the Sakk Rolltop Ranger. And although Sakk have kindly gifted me this bag, I'm not getting paid in any way, shape or form. But I do generally think I'm going to be reaching for this bag in shoots to come. I absolutely love how light it is, how you can take the inserts out and just become a normal backpack. But yeah, that is how the Sakk Rolltop Ranger fits into my everyday life.